See, over the years, I always buy and sell, and sometimes I just make some other videos. But I found these two. There are actually two sets. I'm gonna put them for sale on eBay. Link in the description or bio, whatever you wanna name it. They are new, never opened. They do have some dust. I'm gonna clean those anyways, but they're brand new, brand new. Um, I figured out that if I put one, it will cost the same shipping to ship one and shipping two. So I'm gonna put these two in as the same listing. Percy and Thomas, one single listing, so that will be two sets. Link in the description.